Hey everyone, my name is Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our eFile rejected task. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. Then you're going to want to go ahead and click Firm Templates, and then Tasks, and then go to eFile Rejected. Go ahead and click on that, and here you can see your eFile rejected task template. You can see that it has your description. It's assigned to the role of preparer. It starts today, which is 0 days, and it's due in 3 days. Go ahead and click Save and Exit. Now, this can be used as part of your pipeline or as a one-time task. Today, we're going to set it as a one-time task. I'm going to go ahead and click New, Task. We're going to assign it to my test account for today, which is under my name. I'm going to go ahead and select a template. So, eFile rejected. And here again, you can see the role of preparers is assigned. We've got our description, our start date, and our due date. We want to make sure that we are investigating why we are rejected, request the information from the client, and fix the return, and then re-e-file it. Then you'll go ahead and click Create. This task will show up under your client information. You'll see that who the assignee is, and at the beginning of the description. If you go ahead and click on it, you'll have all that information again. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Have a great day. Thank you.